Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a video with AI in Canva. Let's get started. First, open Google on your browser. Then search for Canva and press Enter. From the search results, click on the official Canva website. Sign into your Canva account if you haven't already. Once you're on the Canva homepage, go to the left side panel and click on Canva AI. Inside Canva AI, you'll see different AI tools available below the chat bar. Select the AI video tool. Now you can customize your video before generating it. Choose the video style you want, then select the frame or aspect ratio for your video. You can also adjust the lighting style to match the type of video you want to create. After customizing these options, type a detailed prompt describing the video you want Canva AI to generate. The more detailed your prompt is, the better the generated video will be. Once you're ready, click the Send button or press Enter. Canva AI will take a few moments to generate your video. After the video is ready, click on it to preview it on the right side of the screen. If you're satisfied with the result, click the Download button at the top of the screen. Choose your preferred video format if prompted, and then download the video. After the download is complete, your AI-generated video will be saved to your device. And that's it. If you like the video, like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more helpful tutorials.